Welcome back to LGS Cars. Today, the automotive world witnesses the rebirth of a green legend. The Toyota Prius, the true pioneer in the hybrid world, has returned in its 2026 form not just as an update, but as a bold statement of how the future of mobility should look. This is not merely evolution, it's a revolution designed to lead the global stage of sustainable driving once again. Exterior design, a futuristic masterpiece. The 2026 Toyota Prius emerges with a striking new design language that blends aerodynamic efficiency with futuristic elegance. The sleek silhouette has been sharpened with sculpted LED headlights, an aggressive front fascia, and a coupe-inspired roofline that makes the new Prius more stylish than ever. Front profile, a bold low nose with slimmer LED DR aisles and an aerodynamic grille designed for both cooling and efficiency. Side profile, flowing character lines, hidden rear door handles for a coupe-like aesthetic, and lightweight alloy wheels up to 19 inches. Rear profile, a full-width LED light bar that gives the Prius a high-tech signature, combined with a sportier bumper design. Toyota has successfully turned the Prius into a head-turner, something no longer just about efficiency, but also about desirability and presence. Interior, the smart, premium green cabin. Inside, the 2026 Prius is a digital lounge on wheels. Toyota has focused on creating a modern and sustainable space, blending premium materials with cutting-edge technology. Dashboard and display, a 12.3-inch floating infotainment screen with Toyota's latest multimedia system, paired with a fully digital instrument cluster positioned above the steering wheel for futuristic visibility. Connectivity, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, over-the-air updates, and an AI-powered personal assistant. Comfort and space, ergonomic seats with eco-friendly materials, optional vegan leather, ambient lighting, and improved cabin insulation for a quieter ride. Technology, smart voice commands, advanced navigation, and integration with smart home systems make this Prius smarter than ever before. Performance and hybrid powertrain, the heart of the 2026 Prius remains its legendary hybrid DNA, now enhanced with more power and efficiency. Hybrid system, a new generation 2.0-liter engine paired with Toyota's 5th-gen hybrid system delivers to 120 horsepower, making it the most powerful Prius ever. Plug-in hybrid prime, an upgraded PHEV version offers up to 65 miles, 105 kilometers of pure EV range, perfect for city commutes without gasoline. Efficiency, fuel economy is expected to surpass 60 mpg US, reaffirming Prius as the benchmark for green driving. Drive modes, eco, normal, sport, and EV-only modes adapt the Prius to any lifestyle from urban efficiency to spirited highway drives. This Prius doesn't just save fuel, it delivers confidence, agility, and a surprisingly fun driving experience. Safety and intelligent driving. Toyota equips the 2026 Prius with the latest Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, adaptive cruise control with lane centering. Enhanced pre-collision system with pedestrian and cyclist detection. Blind spot monitoring with cross-traffic alert. Semi-autonomous driving assist on highways. Prius is no longer just smart in saving fuel, it's now smart in keeping you safe and connected. The bigger picture, redefining green leadership. The 2026 Prius isn't just another hybrid. It's Toyota's way of saying, the revolution we started, we are still leading. With a combination of striking design, hybrid and plug-in innovation, AI-powered technology, and unmatched efficiency, the Prius is ready to reclaim its crown as the world's most iconic eco-friendly car. Conclusion: the legend reinvented. The Toyota Prius began as a symbol of green responsibility. In 2026, it returns as a global icon reborn smarter, stronger, and undeniably more stylish. This isn't just the next Prius, it's the car that once again proves Toyota's vision for the future: mobility that's sustainable, intelligent, and exciting.